In this video, I'll show you how to create a product which has variations. So if you look at this product here, I've got a normal product, but you can change some options like small, medium, large, and what you'll see is that some of the variations have a different price depending on what option you choose. So I will show you how to create that. First of all, I'm going into the back end and I'm clicking on Add New Product. I'm just calling it a test product. Doesn't really matter what I call it because I'll remove it anyway. I'll give it the description here. And they'll learn how to type, and I'll give it some short description here. And I'll give it a regular price, although it doesn't really matter at this stage what price we give it. And the trick is to change it from a simple product into what's called a variable product. So a variable product is a product which has several variations. So if you go to variations here, you'll see that at the moment there's no variations, and it says before you can add a variation, you need to add attributes in the attributes tab, which is over here. So that's where you start. So you change from simple into variable product, then you go to attributes and you click on add. Now I'm just going to call it size. And then here it says enter some text separated by the stripe, it's called. So I'll just call that small stripe, medium stripe, large stripe, extra large stripe, 2XL, stripe 3XL. So those are your size attributes, and untick the visible on the product page because we're going to use it for variations. So I clicked on add, I did a size, I gave it value separated by a stripe, and then I said used for variations. And then I click on save attributes. So that adds the attributes available to this product. And then I can go to add prices per attribute in the variations tab. So I'll click on variations, and then I drop that one down and I say create variations from all attributes. So that's our size thing we just created. Click on go and click on OK. And what it'll do, it'll create one variation for every attribute we added. Like that small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL. And then per variation, if you expand that, you can put in the details. So these are actually almost their own products, if you want to call it like that. So you can give them a price, say $25, and you can leave the rest the way you want to. It doesn't really matter. So that's for small. Now I will do medium. Give that a price of 25 as well. They're just about the same price. However, the large, I expand, I'm going to make that 30. The extra large, I'm going to make the variation price 35. And you'll see that, like I said, it's just like a product because you can give it a sale price and in stock and all that kind of stuff. So that's also 35. And then the 3XL, which is really big, I'll make that 40. Perfect. All right. So once we've added all that information to each variation, you click on Save Changes here, which adds those variations to this product. And then last but not least, you set a product image. I'm just going to pick any image we have here, like that one there, something like that. Set product image. And then very last, you give it a category, which is, let's call it, call it jackets. And then the very, very last is you click on publish. So that should create us a product with the variations you wanted. So let's have a look at the product itself. I click on View Product here once that's safe. Just waiting for that to load. 1, 2, 3, that's done. Okay, so what's it going to look like? There we go. So we got a test product, which is $25, and then the size you have to choose an option. Small, $25, medium, 25, large, 30, extra large, 35, 2XL, 35, and 3XL is 40. So that's the way you make a product with variations. So very quickly, I created a new product, gave it a title, gave it a description, gave it a short description, changed that to variable from simple to variable, created my attributes by clicking on the add, typing in a name, typing in all the values, unticking that one and ticking the use for variations. And then in variations, I dropped down and I said, create the variations from the attributes we've created, and that created all that. And then I gave every single attribute a price. You have to give them a price. If they don't have a price, it'll show out of stock, which is a bit interesting. But anyway, clicked on Save Changes, added a product image, made sure that it's got a category, and then clicked on Update, or Add in our case, and that created the product. So it's that simple. Let me know how you go, and if you got any things you're struggling with, let me know as well. All right, cheers, bye.